If I could just have you sign right here, sir. Thank you very much. At AK, your safety is our priority. That's why we're doing what we can to let you know about the Takata Airbag recall. Thank you so much. You could be driving with a defective airbag, which is an urgent safety issue. If the defective Takata airbag deploys at any time, metal fragments can strike people in the vehicle, causing serious injury or death. Thank you so much. That's why it's important that all affected airbags get replaced as soon as possible. If you drive a Toyota or a Lexus, check if your vehicle is on the recall list and get your airbag replaced today. Here you go. Thank you. Replacement is free, fast, and easy. Call 649-6410 to schedule an appointment. Thank you very much. Upon replacement, get a free $50 gas certificate and a chance to win $1,000 in gas. Show your friends and family you care. Let them know about the Takata recall.